There are a lot of trends in the industry. There's a lot of noise in the marketplace. Technology changes. It's not slowing down, it's only getting faster. The more time goes by, the faster the rate of change seems to be. Some of our clients, they really only execute capital projects infrequently, so they don't have the necessary experience in-house. They may not be aware of new developments in the industry because they're focused on their own business. We also have customers that have reduced client staff levels due to downsizing or other reasons. And so there's very few people within the customer organization that can manage a capital project efficiently, given the other demands on their time. So they might have a client capital manager whose job is really to go out and procure expertise from companies like ours. Polytron is well positioned to help you achieve success in all of these areas. These items tend to be very technically focused, but you want to make sure that you're getting the most out of your investment dollars. So once again, project management is key to making sure that these types of investments are not wasted. The Polytron project manager can help you establish the specific requirements that you're looking for, and then help you develop a roadmap to get you there. Our focus would be on ensuring the project's success by managing risks and holding the team accountable for their individual parts so the overall project is a success.
Manufacturers responded to unexpected market conditions with resilience. We proved it is possible to respond quickly to situations impacting our workforce, infrastructure, and production to meet high demands. We have all pivoted to support the economy and the population. The lessons that we have learned are setting the trajectory of our future. These trends will continue to impact our workplace and the application of technology in our industries for years to come, making our industries more resilient than ever.